Hey guys, Joey. So I've been threatening you for a while. Actually, no, just in the video before with Dean Reen that I was really in love with this doll called Career Girl Wanda. And so I have my first one and you get to experience it with me. I'm really excited about that. So, no further ado. I actually wanted the one with a little bit longer hair. I got the one with kind of the bubble cut, but I'm gonna have a friend reroot her for me. I know that's terrible, but she's mine. She's not going anywhere, so I want her to be the way that I want her to be. And this is the back, very cool. The artwork reminds me very much of that like Superstar era artwork. And it says, Wanda, dolls are people, and Wanda is a special person. She is a career girl. She loves her job because she makes people happy. Well, I think most people would love a job that would make people happy. Choose your careers from the many Wanda Action Career Girl sets available. Your imagination is your guide. Become what you wish as Wanda the Career Girl. Join the Wanda Career Girl Club and find the answers to all your questions about becoming a career woman. Look for the special brochure inside featuring real-life career women in action. Well, we'll see if that's still inside. So, and I have not, she's been sitting here for almost a week, and I've been dying to open her. There's a pamphlet. Okay, the stand actually like fits into the cardboard. It just slid out when I slid the box out, but it actually like goes into the little like cardboard insert on the bottom like that. And there she is in all of her glory. She looks like I think she's a parachute jumper, but somebody said something about like a car, like a racer or something. Oh, these are fabulous. Okay, so we have Wanda the stewardess, and we have Wanda the ballerina, and we have Wanda the nurse, which should be doctor now. Super cute little artwork there for her. Oh, I love this. Very cute. Her stand is really cute. It's like, it's just like the vintage Barbie stands from the mod era. Very cute. Actually, she looks like her sculpt was taken directly from Barbie, as far as like her hands from what I can see right now. She's much tinier. Oh God, I hope that I don't break her legs. She's in a position that she's been in for like, I don't know how many years, and I'm afraid I'm gonna break her legs. And guess what? I forgot scissors, because I am so prepared. And I'm not gonna rip this, so 1 second. Look at my beautiful dolls. Scissors, there we go. Okay, that was easy. Sorry, I'm back. All right, so, boom. Dun, 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 what are you? This one I got, I think, a little more affordable because there was like water damage on the box, which I didn't mind because I was mainly interested in the doll. And truth be known, I was just gonna make her new fashions and everything. So I just wanted the doll. Wow, okay. So we got a full-on, dragging her up. We've got a full-on parachute here attached to her. Oh, she's like a stunt woman. I bet you that is what she is about. This doll's about. Don't break arms. Okay, so far so good. So she's got this weird like little snap thing in front, which I guess is to like hold on her parachute backpack. It's a very big snap. It's kind of like old doll clothes, bigger doll clothes snap. I'm gonna take off her Actually, I'm gonna take her helmet off first. Oh, and very cute little helmet. I think, does it slide in front? No, it's just an, oh, oh, oh my God. Okay, so this is so cute. I'm gonna break it. So this helmet has this little like thing here that you used to be able to, no, you can still, okay, push. And look, she's got little sunglasses and they're supposed to be retractable. I imagine. I can kind of push them back up in there. But that is so freaking cute. How cute is that? I did not even expect to see that detail. I love it. So Wanda, I know it's been so many years in this outfit. That's why I'm kind of scared to take it off of you. But it must be done. Must it? Yeah, it must be. Okay, so I'm imagining if I don't just store this outfit, that the silver will be flecking off of it very easily. So what I'm really freaked out about, she's got a belt on, I'm gonna take that off. What I'm really freaked out about is sometimes these old dolls, their joints get brittle, and I'm really afraid of moving her arms and legs because I don't want them to break, and I really don't know the integrity of how the plastic has done after all of these years, even though she's brand new, never been out of her box before me. And if I break her on camera, I am gonna cry. I'm trying to be so careful. Her legs are so tight. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even think about it. I'm just being myself, playing with dolls, and I'm going to take her clothes off right now. So to explore the body sculpt, if this is offensive to you in any way, turn it off or just like skip forward. Okay, oh, she's so cute. Those arms are very, they're Barbie. Cute little boots, little red boots. Not super cheap, they're pretty nice. I wish that they were more rubbery. Oh, one of them is broken. It's got like a little crack in it. But that's okay. I want to find some really cute like heels or something for her. She does have a couple little meld marks on her back, which I guess are from the material. Reacting, oh no, okay. So the material has reacted to her plastic, much like the old dusty dolls, and so my phone storage was full and it cut off because it'd be like that. So I'm back. Hopefully I'm gonna pay attention to, hopefully it doesn't stop. Anyway, it is melded. The fabric is melded to her legs, and I'm being really careful trying to get it undone and also not trying to hurt the outfit or anything. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to take an X-Acto knife to the plastic melting around here and try to clean it up a bit. Oh, that makes me sad. So you can see here, the plastic has melted onto her torso. And a lot of times you can fix this by like taking a little X-Acto knife and kind of like cleaning up the melted plastic and stuff. It's not going to stop it from continuing to happen, but it'll make her nicer, and make her legs move easier, because right now the plastic is kind of like stopping that from happening. They want to, and I don't think they're going to break. I think they just need that. But she has got click joints, click, click, click. 3, just like Barbie. Boop, boop. She is pretty darn cute. Her body is very, I mean, she's tiny. She is like a tiny little 9-inch, I think, 9-inch Barbie. And gorgeous face. I don't know if that helps or not. I see people do that. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful sculpt. And her buttocks reads 1972 Shindana Toys, Hong Kong. So yeah, so I'm excited to have a new Wanda career girl, and I'm gonna pull her. God, her face is gorgeous. Her face is beautiful. She's got rooted eyelashes. She kind of reminds me a little bit of a Francie, maybe like a cross between Julia / Christie, the early first edition ones, and a Francie doll. It's an original sculpt for the face, and it's beautiful. She looks like a Mattel product, honestly. And her quality of like, the quality of the doll and the fashion actually is very Mattel of the time. So yeah, like ace for that. She's got the little for her click knees. She's got the little thing sticking out, and there's some flack plastic that could be cleaned up. But I am really happy with her overall. I was going to put on her fashion again, but I'm not because of the melding. But as you can see here, the fabric is already deteriorating. It's the first time out of the box. It's just old. This is just what happens, and it's sad. So this will go into a nice little Ziploc baggie to try to preserve it, and because she's probably never gonna wear it again, because she's gonna have new fabulous things to wear. But yeah, Shindana Wanda. And I would definitely, for the collectors that love fashion dolls, I would say that she was worth the investment. The only disappointment really is the melding, but it's not terrible, and it can be kind of like zhuzhed up and fixed. Oh, twist waist. I don't know if I want to. Yeah, okay, good. She's okay. So she does have a like TNT twist waist, and I'm not gonna do it too much because if she breaks in half, I will cry on camera. And yeah, oh, okay, so she does not have a swivel neck. It's at a tilt, and she turns her head like this, which is very cute because with, at least, even though it's not a swivel neck, at least it's on a tilt, so it kind of like tilts her head when she turns, rather than just going She can kind of like do it nicely. But yeah, here we go. Shindana Wanda. This is my review. Cover up. This is my review, and I hope you had fun and enjoyed it. Bye, guys.